I said this yesterday. I mean it today. This is the last time I'm going to talk about this. Yesterday, I told you that we found out. So let me just start at the beginning. A month or so ago, I made a parody video of Kurt saying that asking if he was drunk. To which he left alone for about a week, and then somebody posted it on Reddit in a forum that I think was probably dedicated to making fun of him, and from there he copyright struck it. There is a video, I'll link in the description, or you can go to my Law 2 playlist and you can see it. There's a bunch of videos that I had done about it, or a couple anyways. So he sees the video that night, he does a copyright strike on my channel, and then he strikes up some agreement behind the scenes to, not with me, but with other people. He never ever to this day has replied to my email, replied to any of my messages, sent me a creator. I mean, there's a whole studio that we can talk to each other through. And the only time he ever mentioned my name, the only time still to this day that he's only mentioned my name, was he added me, so it highlighted my name in a live stream that Good Logic was doing on something else. And that's when I was like, dude, I think it's over. Just basically, it's over. Which I don't know if the screenshots are on my phone. I think they're on my PC, so I guess I could pull up those receipts. Fast forward a month, here we go. Oh, in case you don't go watch that other video, you should know that what he did was a false copyright strike. It was falsely trying to take down my channel, and I had to give him my name, my phone number. I had to dox myself to him, my full name, address, phone number, so that if he wants to, he can sue me, because I counterclaimed and said, no, he's a liar, put my video back up. And I got my video back up through the counterclaim process. He was a bitch, and well, that's another story. Go watch the end of the video and find out why that video is actually not public right now. I didn't delete it, but it is private because he says we made an agreement to which he didn't stick to any of the stuff, and I had to dox myself to give him. But either way, I don't care. I didn't care. I kind of care now because of what happened yesterday. He strikes another creator, a female creator's channel, because she made a video of him last year. We didn't fucking care about it until someone this year Farron decided to react to it.
I'm going to guess for him, he's going to say brains.
What is the most important thing in a woman?
What's the most important thing in a woman? There's really only one answer. My dick.
You're about to see her side of the story about that. Today I find out that 3 months ago, only three months ago, he did the same exact thing to a small channel, 1,000 subscribers, called Right of Reply. And in his infinite wisdom, in his infinite intelligence, chose to live stream his malicious copyright striking.
Oh, Right of Reply is recording my stream and uploading clips? Well, that kind of sucks. I could point out that he's infringing my copyright. In fact, I will point out he's infringing my copyright. Because he is infringing my copyright. So, yeah. Okay. Let's go to Right of Reply's channel and just start filing copyright claims. Because he's infringing my copyright. That sounds like fun. Let's do that. Does anyone have a link to his channel? Let's see. Right of Reply is yours. You got it, Stephanie. Yeah, let's take him down. Let's take him down.
And so I'm so sorry that this is one more uncivil law copyright claim video. I wish it was over. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. It's more unbelievable that Law 2 was just like, oh, it's Kurt. It's fine. He can come to my wedding. Like, let's get drunk together. It's just silly jokes. It's not jokes. It's disgusting. If you think DUI guy's face made you look bad to the world, what do you think this does? It's not making you look good. Let me think. Did I miss anything? Because I really don't want to make another video. Besides giving you the rest of the receipts and showing you the rest of the way that he behaves on a lot of other topics, this is going to be it. Fortunately, I live in California and Kurt lives in Texas. We live in some extremely fun slap and anti-slap laws, states. So if Kurt wants to play Kurt, let's play. If you want to take this to court and you want to understand copyright law, it's funny how you decided the copyright video that you couldn't get through was on copyright, what was it? Andy Warhol copyright, something that doesn't have anything to do with this. What you could have looked at is a Carl Benjamin case. You could have looked at the dismissal of that case and the judgment and what the judge said about copyright, which is this. It's exactly this. It's two YouTubers. It's 1 year ago. It's showing that what he did by taking her video and cropping it into his own personal story was considered fair use. He didn't add any context. He never spoke a word in that video. But you decided not to go through that video. You went through a different video, which after an hour and a half of grifting to your people like you knew how to fucking understand this, it turns out you hadn't even read it to begin with and you didn't understand it when you finished. Oh, maybe I'll insert that.
That's what's going on. And then we got into this unbelievably complex analysis. So complex, we're probably going to have to do this again. I'm probably going to have to read this more carefully and do a highlighting thing, and we're going to have to do this entire discussion over again once I understand it fully, because I have to fully put in all these ideas in my mind, and it's incredibly complicated. And
do I want to drag you that hard? I really don't. I don't want to go to your channel and give you another view. But either way, you don't know anything about copyright. I mean, you're a patent clerk, patent review attorney, whatever. You're a YouTuber. Today, you're a YouTuber. You ain't shit. Welcome to the internet, motherfucker.
Oh, those white stains, pockets hanging out. Quality Kurt here, guys. And now, Mantle Power.
Kids.
Ranger Power, go. Activate.
I email Kurt, and I'm going to show you exactly what I emailed him, because I do somewhat feel partially responsible, and I'll show you why. So this is what I messaged him Saturday, and I say, Kurt, we need to do an unhinged dating in 2022 stream. Someone had me respond to dating questions that were asked to you, and I gave my own answers. We have to do a man versus woman dating stream soon. Let me know. The YouTubes will explode. Farron. This was the email that was sent. Then all of a sudden, there is a copyright strike on Snapshot's video, the original creator of the Kurt Datamax video. Okay. Send that off. Later that evening, there's a copyright strike on Snapshot's original video of it. So part of me feels like he had never known, had I never emailed him about it, none of this would have ever been known, watched, what have you. So I feel partially responsible in a way. And I'm sorry, Snapshot, that if this is the result of it, I just find this really unbelievable, especially from somebody who is an attorney. Kurt, you know how copyright works.
You're allowed to say mean things about people.
You cannot go and abuse copyright because somebody made a video either poking fun, making fun, or putting hilarious content together at your expense. It's going to happen. As somebody who's been in the media industry for 15 plus years, do you know how many blooper reels people have created of me or other news anchors around the country? Or, I mean, you see bloopers. Bloopers are like called bloopers for a reason. It's like to make fun of somebody for messing up.
Bow, 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 bow.